Located in a family-friendly neighborhood on a quiet street with no rear neighbors. A walkout lower level and a heated saltwater pool. Welcome to 110 Delavan Drive in Cambridge. On the main level, the layout flows to a bright living and dining area. The updated kitchen features plenty of cabinets and counter space. Sliding doors from this level lead to a large deck overlooking the trees and pool below. This home offers 2+1 bedrooms plus a loft and 3 bathrooms.
Yeah.
Flexible space for family, guests, and a home office. Downstairs, the walkout level adds a full second living area. Plenty of space for a rec room, workout zone, or movie nights, with direct access to the pool and patio. Outside, enjoy the heated saltwater pool, privacy, and the view. Set on a quiet street in a family-friendly neighborhood close to schools and with easy access to historic West Galt for dining and locally owned shops. To see this home in person, contact Nelson Rego at Royal LePage Crown Realty Services.